Finnish border on the road to Nordkapp.
Pretty well, Steve. What's that?
Coming for a dance? Can't draw them out. It just... Welcome to part 4, where we spend a freezing night at Sweden's largest waterfall at Tannforsen. Coming up, the heater stopped working and we freeze in the van. The Landrover doesn't start and it's all hands on deck. Diego gifts me some Jack Daniels for breakfast. Gibbo's fingers don't look too good, looks like frostbite. The actual temperature was minus 30.2. It was a treacherous path down to the waterfall, but it was worth it because it was absolutely stunning.
Frost on the windows.
It's minus 20.
Coats a lot.
We've got our sleeping bags, you name it, absolutely covered. I like a solid ice on the inside of the windows, like that. You know, solid ice. The vehicle battery won't start. All right. Well, anyway, it's not a great situation.
Put the big pack on it in a bit. And,
but I'm just having to get some layer up now and see if we can get the heater working again. As you can see, it's shaking. I'm laughing because
I can't feel my feet. It's creaking on my leg.
Right, but better get moving.
Absolutely bitterly Baltic, bitterly cold. Got the diesel heater working. I think there's power to it. Yes.
Good?
Yeah, all good. It's bitterly cold this morning. Bitterly cold. I was fairly warm in the sleeping bag, just having layered up, but the van it must be at least minus, I don't know, it's minus 22, and in the van's going to be something similar. The fact that it's just complete ice inside. So the diesel heater stopped working at 3 AM, absolutely freezing. Somebody said to me it's minus 22. Vehicle battery won't work. Stick ice on the windows, but battery pack won't start the vehicle. Diesel heater ran out of fuel, but has an ignition issue. But we've got somebody here now who's a fellow vanner, is going to try and give us a jump start. My eyelids with the moisture, so my eyelids are sticking together. Come on. Tell us what you're doing with the diesel heater.
Don't know, warm the engine up. Then we're going to try and crank it again.
Yeah. Yeah, so we've tried jump starting, we've tried power jump packs, we've finally got the diesel heater working. Just going to try and warm up the engine and then try again. The guy there has got his coolant frozen, it's rated to minus 30, and his thermometer gauge in his car said minus 27.5. We're doing Arctic.
You want to eat? If I lunge it up and need to throw the fucking...
Put new coolant in it with a new radiator.
So these guys have let me come into their van to get warm up in the van for a minute. But we're looking. The thermometer there, indoor temperature, Outdoor temperature, minus 30.2. Gibbo's got some strange looking fingertips. What's happened to your fingertips? Oh my God.
I can't feel them.
Oh mate, that looks like frost nip. So we're all in Diego's van. So hello, thank you.
Mate, you've got to get in there.
Yeah. And then here we go, look. Gibbo's warming his fingers. He's warming his shoes up. I got my socks off, trying to get some warmth to my feet. Because I can't feel my toes. Just kindly give me a shot of, there he is, breakfast. A shot of Jack Daniels with honey to warm up the old cockles. Cheers everyone. Got everyone helping us here. We've been warming the engine up for a good 45 minutes. Jump packs, easy start, and it's not looking good. Not looking good at the minute. Nearly had it then. Go again, go. Ready? Got two vehicles now jump starting in the Landrover to try and get it going, to get as much power as we can. Come on! No! Close. It's cranking.
Partly odd, yeah? You're going to sit there and do a high iron. Hold it on. Oh. Gonna go. Right, onto the moon.
Bloody hell. Thank you. Yeah, that was a challenge. That was a challenge. Fucking hell, Gibbo. What's going through your mind right now?
I thought the fuel pump was, it's got a big electric fuel pump in the back, and I thought it's not getting fuel up. So
there's two vehicles jump starting it, heating it from underneath and blow torching it from the top.
31 degrees minus. It's cold.
Oh shit. This is what de-icing the interior. Just going down to look at Tannforsen Waterfall. Oh bloody hell, my face keeps freezing up. It's meant to be it's the largest waterfall in Sweden. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah. Oh man. Oh. I need to cover my face up. My face keeps freezing. Wow. Oh, watch it.
Fucking hell! Oh, shit! She's slippery!